Epic.
We're gonna use that hike.
What's
up, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we're checking out a new update for Animal Company. Let's see what
Hey, Grim VR,
Okay, so basically, okay.
So yeah,
first,
dude.
You
have
know what?
an awesome
That's
MREs.
What's that for? What's that for?
Okay, so we
What does
got
it do?
Lunchly right here. We got Lunchly.
Oh hell.
No,
No,
it's
is that no Lunchly?
Yes, it is Lunchly. I have mold in it.
What does it do?
This is Lunchly.
Oh.
This is Lunch. Okay, so
Whoa,
we have
I'm Sonic, baby!
Lunchly.
I'm Sonic! I'm Sonic! Whoa! I'm Sonic!
I see mold
What,
in it. And
oh,
that's
what are you?
I'm
What
not
are
gone.
you? Hello?
Oh my god, that actually gave me a...
I'm fast! I'm fast!
What the hell? What
I swear I just walked up a landmine and didn't explode.
It did! It was just walked on the landmine. Whoa, there's a football? Oh yeah. Yeah,
Come here, you.
this one
Get over here, you fright.
Ah! Hey, do you want my... Hey, do you want this Lunchly?
No.
Hey, yo bro,
I have Lunchly!
yo bro, can I have it, please?
Yo, nah.
Yo bro, I'm gonna throw the
Lunchly!
I'm gonna say down, say hi, and I'm gonna throw the football
Hey,
to
I
you.
like my cheese burpee, bro. I
Yo,
like
Blue.
my cheese
Yo,
burpee,
Blue.
bro. I like my cheese. I got
Yo,
Chick-fil-A.
purple. I'm gonna say down, say
Yeah.
hi, yeah, I'm gonna
Chick-fil-A,
throw
guys,
the
I got
football to
Chick-fil-A.
you, okay?
Grim VR,
Down,
Grim
set,
VR.
hike.
I can't. I
Purple.
killed the chick. I got this chicken.
Get it.
No, I missed.
Hey, throw it to me. Throw it to me.
Hey,
Got it. Hey, I'm gonna throw it to you.
Please. What? Bro.
This is it. Bro, purple! This is my Lunchly. This is my Lunchly.
Ooh.
I do it that
I'm eating my
hard.
Lunchly, guys.
Do it. Oh, hey, what the
Guys,
heck?
I'm eating my Lunchly.
Eat it. Yeah, eat it. Green
Open
Beyond.
it.
Real bro, Green Beyond. I need you to catch this.
Drop it.
I need you to catch this, bro. Ready?
Drop it, sir. Let me open it for you.
Hey, y'all, we're gonna be killing every single monster. Okay, y'all?
Do I just give it MRE?
Hey, y'all, I'm gonna get a crossbow. The first weapon I'm gonna buy.
I like my
And,
cheese.
and we're gonna see
I like my
which
cheese
one.
drippy, bro.
And we're gonna use
Green.
we're gonna see which monster.
Green. I
We're
love my
gonna,
cheese
we're gonna
drippy,
kill
bro.
every
I like my
monster once or
Cheese.
twice, probably.
Let's get chicken first. Get chicken. Get
I
chicken.
like my cheese drippy, bro. I like my cheese.
Bro, why
Guys,
do we have to
I have my Lunchly. I have my Lunchly.
We're gonna kill every monster once or twice, maybe.
I love my cheese drippy, bro.
Little bro crazy. Little bro crazy with that
I
cheese.
gotta pack a lot. I gotta get a lot of
Bro,
these
who took my lunch
Lunchlies.
Hey, y'all.
I'm so
Hey,
fast.
hey, we're
Guys,
gonna
look
kill
at me.
Angler.
Yo, these lunch trees are OPG.
Hey, we're going to Angler.
Guys, let's go to Angler.
Honestly, am I faster than Angler?
Oh,
I like my cheese drippy, bro.
Whoa, wait, where's Angler? Where's Angler?
I don't
I love
know.
my cheese drippy, bro.
Why they be having ball sacks right now?
For real.
Kill it.
Yo, purple.
What?
Can you hold on to this? I want to see am I faster than Angler. Hold on to
Yeah,
this.
sure.
I want to see am I faster than him.
I like my cheese drippy, bro. I like my
No,
cheese
don't.
drippy,
I
bro.
want to see am I faster.
Bro, be quiet. Who keeps spamming I like my cheese drippy in the chat?
Him.
I'm fast. Good job. You can actually run faster than him. having some weird effects.
Oh, that made
Bro, that.
No, bro, my book bag.
Stop.
I died.
Drippy, bro. Drippy, bro. He's drippy. Stop, bro. Stop. You're not able. And Bluntsley sucks. Grimvia World.
I died. Where are y'all?
At Haunted.
The angler cannot see me. Look, angler.
Hey, bro, can I have my crowbar back?
I don't.
Can I have
Nah,
your
you had your
crossbow?
crossbow.
Your crossbow.
I don't know how, but your grenade just disappeared. I'm not kidding.
For real, I saw it too. I like my cheese nice and drippy. La, la.
Hey, yo, nah.
Hey guys, I think it's lunchtime.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Can I eat my lunch, please?
Wait.
Hey, let me get my
Can we
lunchies real
Yo,
quick.
can we? Yo, can we guys regen?
Yo, thank you.
Oh, this is first one here.
I like my
We got another shotgun,
bro.
and we got a pry. Ooh, what does this do? Drop food. That didn't feel good.
No, give that. Put it back in. Put it back in. No, put it back in for real. Put it back in for real, bro. Put it back in, bro. Put it back in, bro. Then go in. Put it back in. There you go.
Grimvia, where are you?
Yeah.
Grimvia, not Dreamvia. What is that?
I want my cheese. Yeah.
What is that thing?
I gotta say hi to it. Hey, little stupid goober. Go away.
Oh, that's what that thing is.
Do you just say
Hey, do you
that?
want my lunch, please?
Do you say that stupid goober? Do you say that?
Yo, where's Blue? Where's
I'm
Blue?
sorry. I was talking about that thing.
Hey, you're a good boy. Come here.
He's a good boy, by the way. Blue. I'm gonna sell it on the internet for $1. Ow!
I don't.
God. You got mercy. Hey, we're getting out of here.
Grimvia, where are you going? Grimvia, where are you?
Want my lunch?
If people are saying laundry sucks, then why are y'all calling? Hey, chicken! You've been a good boy. You've been a good boy. It's okay, chicken. Why is your sound like chicken? Chicken! Hey, head to Mimic Cave. No, not Mimic Cave. The, buff guy, the strong guy. Whatever his name is. Where's Ro? Found him.
I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where souls are teaching and they froze. I don't know, no. To the screen. The king. To the ring, to the pen, to the king. Where's my crown? That's my bling. Oh, it's heaven ring.
Yeah, I'm at chicken, just so you know. Alright, y'all, I'm usually so bad at this. I hate doing stuff. Okay, did that. Mission complete. What does this do? Oh no, I'm not eating that again. Didn't even drop a crate. Looks like we're doing pretty good, yo. Take it back now, yo. Why not this time? Feels like I'm doing this all by myself, low-key. Where are they? Hey. Chicken! Oh yeah, we need to kill normal mimic. Yo, head to, Mimic Cave. Yeah, do that. You guys found the key yet? Yeah.
No, I'm just snacking on my lunch.
Bro, what?
Grim VR, are you?
I died. It had a delay reaction time.
Guys, are we going to Mimic Cave?
Yes, we are. I just need to go get my stuff because I died again.
Yeah, I got your crossbow.
Oh,
Guys, come to the haunted house. I'm waiting.
I got it. Hey, I'm coming to haunted house.
Guys, I got a turkey leg. Guys, I got a turkey leg.
I want to see what it does.
From
It
the
taste
screen
like.
to the ring.
Yeah, this is.
Tell him I got it.
That's what the red light, green light guy.
Tell-
Drop. Oh, there's a pie. Hey, where's Mimic Cave? Oh, head to Mimic Cave.
Back.
What do you? Why does it always do it? I wanted my vegetables.
I have my lunch shoes in my backpack right now. Can I have your lunch
Where's Mimic
sleeves?
Cave?
No, give me your lunch sleeves.
If you can catch up to me.
I gotta eat my lunch sleeves.
Get out!
Where's Mimic Cave?
That's what I'm saying.
No, come to the haunted house. I'm waiting right here. Little Timmy Anglers.
Can't see!
Guys, where's Mimic?
I love my cheese droopy, bro. It's my backpack.
Is he invincible or something like that, guys?
I was stuck in the stairs and I just died. Bro, did you? Oh my god, bro. Did you die to Angle? Yes, I died to Angler. The only reason I really don't want to die is I have valuable stuff. Comes to spawn, comes to spawn.
Yo, did I not shoot him? Yo, did I not shoot him? I did shoot him. According to my calculation, he did. Oh my god, I hate this. I'm gonna get as much sundries.
I'm right here.
Wait, Grim VR, we're going back to spawn.
No, just say there. I forgot my shotgun.
What, are you coming to Haunted?
Yes.
Grim, watch out. Never mind.
Grim, wait for me. Grim, where did you go?
I died.
Hello, Grim? Sigmund.
Get out.
Where did...
I'm so Sigma. I'm Sigma.
Guys, are you coming to Haunted or not?
I'm coming.
I lost all my stuff, so I had to come back. If you see a backpack on the stairs, don't take it. It's mine.
Yeah, I'm not faster than it. I'm slower. Now wait for me. Don't pick up the shotgun. That was mine.
For every burst, dead body, but.
Ooh, jump scare.
Bro, I was seriously trying to donate to that guy.
What's up, Grim? Grim. Yeah,
Is he glitch?
he's stuck. I think so.
No, he's not stuck. He's glitch. He's not glitch. The way I yelled.
Grim, stay right there. Grim, stay right there.
No, I guess that's better.
Angler's coming. Angler's
What do you
coming.
Bro, where's my shotgun?
What do you see in my lunch hoodie?
I see you dying double time.
I see.
Bro, oh my
Grim, I'm at the real, like,
Oh, cheese.
bro,
Got him.
no, I like my cheese drippy.
Get out! Get out! Get out! What's this do?
Nah, Blue just said I let my cheese drippy. He has so he says that the MRE's at lunch leaves. You got full chicken. Oh my god, Blue, just be quiet. You're not, bro's the brain rocket.
Brain rock
guys,
is
I'm here, I'm here.
My turkey! Leg.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna get some more shotgun ammo.
Who wants a turkey leg?
Oh my god. This sucks.
Yeah, I'll get some more shotgun ammo. I hate being slow. I love being Sonic fast. You know, I'm getting richer. Oh, I am. Wait for me. I'm eating shotgun ammo and more lunch and more dangy stuff. Things what makes you fast. A 1,000? Oh my god, that is a bunch. There's a whole bunch. Bro, these go down fast. I don't mean like they drain your money. Can't even fit anymore. Yeah, I can. Oh, that's the chicken skin. Take like the chicken update. 30 minutes. Chicken run 30 times. I'm not gonna do a chicken run. I'm gonna hit and run. I do. Just do. Legit. Make him go away. Something distract him. That type of run. Don't got all day. It should be getting full now. Chad, we got it. Right, battery controller. And this is too combined. And this is me getting stuck. You know, I just spent $500,000 on these things. So heavy. Yeah, wait up, I'm coming, sure. You better show it. I'm coming. Move! Chicken!
Yeah. I'm not I'm staying.
I still have a backpack full of lunch leaves though.
What the? Hey. Hey, we're gonna find key. Coming?
Why?
I have a backpack full of lunch leaves.
Hey, we're going to find. Hey, we're gonna find a key.
Come on, Blue. Blue. Blue.
I can't see.
Not my problem. Purple, blue, come on, stop pushing around.
No, you're gonna see what I'm doing.
Bro, look for the key. I need a guy with a flashlight. Yo, you're my flashlight man. Come over here.
Bet.
I made it!
Oh yeah. Wait, what's that green thing?
My hand's got some.
What's that green thing?
What? Say.
Other way. Bro.
Turn on your flashlight. I'm not liking this. Where are you?
Once you collect,
You get drippy cheese.
you'll get drippy cheese.
You get drippy Modi cheese. Yeah, Modi drippy cheese.
He's coming. Bro, stop hitting
If you say lunch rate one more, if you say lunch rate one more time, I will kill one of y'all. If you say it one more time, I will kill one of y'all. Lunch rate. It's real good.
You know.
Bro, stuck on the other side. But he's stuck on the other side. It doesn't get
No, we're
lunch late.
finding the key. We're finding the key. Look.
Okay,
look,
come on.
Look for the key. I need a flashlight.
I don't got no flashlight. Bro!
Wait, who said
When
lunch?
he appears,
Wait,
when
who
he
said?
appears, shoot him.
Wait, who
When he
said lunch
appears, shoot
rate?
him.
Hey, bro, who
That
said
guy.
lunch rate? Hey,
The guy in there.
wait, who said it? Wait, who said lunch rate?
The guy in there.
Come here. But Shotgun really wants something. Wait, I really want
No!
Do you want to build a snowman? Do
No.
you want to
No.
build a snowman?
Bro, get out of the way. Wait, did he die? Did he die? He died. Bro, wait, did he die? Did he die?
I don't know.
Did he die?
Nah, bro.
They both died. Now, let's actually find the key.
Bro, bring a flashlight as well since you died.
Can you please get a flashlight too?
I want my money.
I'll give
You
you
get
your
your
loot back.
Lunch leave. I'll let you have it.
I don't care. Bro, this apple has infinity.
No, you just hold it. You just hold it to your face. You just hold it to your face like this.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Did you bring a flashlight? Bro! Bro didn't bring a flashlight. Bro really wants his lunch late. No, his MRA.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna go get a flashlight real quick.
Okay.
Why is red light green light blue? So heavy. I'm gonna need a flashlight. Yeah, I'm becoming broker. And I'm buying a flashlight right now. Oh my god, y'all. Chat. Where's the infinite shotgun glitch was still here? Gotta get around fast. Come on.
Tell me when you're back with the flashlight.
I'm back.
Alright.
Where are you?
This guy got through to the other side again. Nah, just leave him alone. Just leave him alone.
Stay
'Cause
right
he really
there.
likes his MRE. Yeah, do you want me to hold the flashlight? Right, I thought we're gonna use it.
No,
You bought a red one.
let me get the flashlight. I bought it. Hey,
Does
what's
the
going-
red one not attract her? Does the red one not attract her?
No.
So what does the red one do?
It helps you see better.
Nah? Dame un
you-
segundo. Dame un segundo.
We're checking every room.
Fine, come on.
Keep going.
I see the light. Yeah, my game's kind of glitched out and I see a little light here.
I see one too.
Nothing in here. Come down here. Oh, what is that thing?
There's a head.
I hope it likes light. Yeah, we don't want to be in here.
We're agreeable. 2 keys. 2 keys.
2 keys. Should we sell one?
No. We use the other one for another time. Wait, you got? No. Go get that key. That's all you know. Just take one. No. Take a lunch lead. Take one.
Pick up the key.
Good job. Eat it.
Come on.
Where's the way? Way's over. I have so much weight. I'm still faster. Faster. I don't care about mine.
Right, give me a sec. Lunchley kid, are you still in here?
Yeah.
I got more lunch leads.
Oh.
I got more lunch leads.
Bro, we have ISO speed in
Going
the
back to my
background.
cave. I'm going
He
back.
has ISO speed in the background.
Okay, thank you for the lunch meat. I'm now gonna go back to my cave where I live.
Bro. Right, let's
God.
go. I know, right?
I can't see. Cause I mean,
Do we care about all these?
yes, get the corrupted ones.
But the corrupted one split me.
No, get them with your book bag. God, chat, do you think I'm cuckoo or dumb? I might have to throw away my shotgun. And now I'm gonna leave it right there.
Ah. I
saying
Oh my God.
Bro's trying to go back to his man
There's
cave.
a shotgun here.
Yeah, you can have it. Someone dropped it. I don't know who dropped it. Whoever did is probably dumb.
I
It's
think you
Grim.
dropped it, to be honest.
It's the Grim Reaper.
Oopsies, oopsies, oopsies.
I think I dropped 2 of them.
Right. I wish I had a hover. Lord.
Yeah, I think I dropped 2 of them.
No, stop. I wish I had hoverboards so bad. I have to go down. I wish I could have get more. Yeah, I'm sorry. I would have got more. I think I had more expensive.
Morrison's, the shop at Morrison's. Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god! Please look. You see why I wanted a hoverboard? No, so. Oh my god. That's why I want a hoverboard. I'm angry. I'm not totally angry. Touch. Just with a one touch, touch, touch.
Lunch tree. Oh my god, what's in this?
Bro, can I have my shotgun back? Okay.
It's over there.
Right, bro.
It's here. Ugh.
Get out! I'll take the 20k.
Yo, do you know where the lunch league guy went?
I don't know. He went bye-bye. That's what I know.
Lunch league guy, where'd you go?
Yeah, he's still in the code. I don't. Oh, there he is.
Guys, I actually figured out how to eat stuff.
Wait, how?
You have to hold it up to your mouth. You don't
Yeah.
like.
Yo, my
Actually, I'm
arms
kind
bent
of
in the
getting
mirror.
low, so like.
In the mirror, my arms bent.
Hey, yo, we're going to haunted house. Hey, go to haunted house again.
Yeah.
Go to haunted. Alright, should be annoying. I almost shot them a couple times now. Yeah, I do have a key in my lovely book bag, aka.
Has anybody already made it to haunted?
Yes, I made it to haunted. Come on, it's safe.
Give me a sec.
Where's the other guy?
Oh, hold on.
Wait, who said Lunchley? Whoever says Lunchley one more time, you will die.
Blue said lunch league. Oh, I said it. Sorry.
I'm going back to my cave.
Don't say it, okay? Makes me go cuckoo and make me lose. You want free Lunchley in here?
Go back to my.
Right, I forgot you had a spare key.
Lunchley isn't free. Lunchley is here. job. You're doing a great job.
Yay!
Yo, I'm giving
I got
him.
complimented.
Yo, give a shout out to him. Wait, yo, bro, what's your name?
Me. Oh, just
What's your name?
wait.
Huh? What is it?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you my name.
Y'all give a shout out to Alex real quick. Just shout out to him. He's helping me to make money. You know, he's kind of stealing my orders, but give him. I'm just giving him a shout out. He's helping me make some money.
That guy's still talking about it, you know what?
Oh my god.
He just said the word in the micro, in like the walkie-talkie.
So hopefully make my money back. Mine and everyone else's. Yeah, let's take it, bro. We need sleep. Ooh, red one? Bet. Corrupted one? Bet. No, stop.
Kind of wet in the black hole thingy, man.
No! I fell.
Dame segundo.
Ah. Yo, do you got more cup doors or more?
Dame un segundo.
I think I got more than last time.
Yeah, yo, the other guy, do you got more money? I mean, more corrupted ones?
I've got corruptive ones more.
Hey, is your book bag full?
Yes.
Hey, come to cellar.
There's the chicken things with balls.
Okay, stop saying that.
Bro, where are you?
I'm at cellar. Come on.
You saw it?
Oh, you there? Hello?
Yo, where's that? Yo, bro, where's that guy who was helping me? Hey, don't sell that. That was helping me. Hey.
I've got 4 ray guns. Do you want them?
Yeah, where's that guy? The other guy who was helping me.
Wait, I've got 4 ray guns. Do you want 2?
Yes. Yes, please.
Oh.
Bro, I thought you were lying. Bro, don't play that. No, I don't.
I have to take a dookie. This is the Lunchly kid. I actually have to take a dookie, so like I'm just gonna give out my
Yeah, I just want to say I have to go.
Hey, yo, bro.
Wait.
Everybody meet me at spawn if you want lunch.
Wait,
I'ma send
where's
you
the
a friend
lunchly
request.
kid at?
I'm gonna send you a friend request.
Or I haven't made it to spawn yet.
I sent you the friend request. Right, now I have to go.
Which one are you? You're the purple one. Hey, I'm accepting.
Yeah.
that.
Nice, okay. Well, I have to go.
Oh, I'm wanted.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. I'll miss you.
Bye.
Hey, where's that lonely kid? Oh my god, bro, where's that lonely kid at? Wait, where are you?
I don't think.
I'm right here.
Bro, why does it sound like there's two people?
You want my lunch leaf?
Can you come here? Can you come here? Come here, I want to show you something. Bro, come here. Yeah, bro, come here. I'm gonna go show you something. Yeah, I want to show you something. Hey, follow me, follow me. I won't
Are you
kill
gonna shoot
you.
me?
No, I won't. This has no
Pinky
ammo.
promise?
If you say lunch lady one more time, I will kill you.
Okay.
So no saying it, okay? Or my shotgun will say otherwise. Good boy. Bro. Bro got a dead son. Why is your wait, bro, gold. Get out of the leaf. Wait, how is red leaves falling from green leaves? Yo, Blue, I got a question. Why is orange and yellow leaves are falling from a green tree? What? Okay. Please shut
You
up.
want all these?
No, no. But that cost you like
I guess I'll
that cost you $3,000, you know.
I gotta buy more. Then I'll just have saved them for next time.
What? Wait, how much money do you have? Because I'm broke. I'm broke. How much money do you have?
66,000.
Bro, I'm broker.
Anyways, I'm getting off.
Bye.
But I have a lot of lunch leaves, not gonna lie.
Can you come here? Come here.
I know you're gonna kill me, but I'm getting off anyways.
Bye. Yeah, I'll see you in next video.